So you asked and I'm delivering. Hello everybody, my name is Bill. This is SixRounds Studio. Short video for you today. I want to do a little bit of an update on what's happening on the channel and over on Patreon. But before I do that, please show your support by subscribing to the channel and ringing that bell so you get notified the next time I post a video. So you asked and I'm delivering. So if you remember a couple videos back, I did a video on this custom Mauser that my dad built. And I asked if you'd be interested in me doing a little bit more detailed video on that rifle. So here's what happened. I sent some feelers out, I sent some requests out. I've got 2 more Mausers that my uncle, my dad, and even myself have built for other customers, and I've got them here. So the plan is not only to do the video on that little 8mm that we talked about in that video, but we're also going to include in the video this Mauser 88 that my dad and my uncle built as well. I also did a lot of the stock work on this gun as well. I'd forgotten all about this until the guy brought it in. Dad did a lot of work on this thing, completely remade this thing. Again, short, really shortened this thing up. This also is an 8mm. So we're going to talk about this. Dad did a lot of great stuff on this thing, including jeweling the bolt. Now, what makes this bolt jeweling special? He did 1/8 overlap, and that is a lot of work and really time-consuming to do and do that well. So Dad did that on this. This is another Mauser that we built for a customer. I was directly involved in this one. I built the stock for this one. Customer wanted us to build a hunting rifle. We built him a hunting rifle, and we built this and chambered this one in 4570. This is a beast of a rifle. It's heavy too, so we'll talk about this one. That ought to be a really fun video to make, those 3 Mausers. Now, if I can get some more between now and getting this thing filmed up, we'll throw some more of the customs that the shop did into this video as well. These are all stunning rifles, and I'll show you that. But not only that, we're still going to continue doing the work on the Little Steven's favorite. We're almost done on that, so I want to keep that up as well. Also, if you're not a part of my Patreon page, I'm working on some videos over there on restoration tech. And I've got a cool series that I'm working on right now where I'm cleaning this Winchester 1873. But before I do that for my patrons, I want to lead into the next part of that discussion, talking about this 1865 Sharps. This is a stunning survivor. This is a beautiful example. And one of the subjects I want to talk about over there is it patina or is it just dirt? And this is a kind of a hot topic amongst a lot of firearms collectors. A lot of collectors, they literally want you to leave the gun alone, which is their choice, it's their gun. But the problem is they're calling that dirt patina. Patina actually lives under all that dirt. And I want to show you this Sharps over there on the Patreon page, and I want to talk about the patina. I want to talk about how beautiful this rifle is, and talk about that if we had left the dirt on it, you wouldn't even recognize all of the color case and all the beautiful wood that lays underneath it. So we're going to talk a little bit about, is it patina or is it dirt? And how do you make that decision? And when you're making that decision, how do you apply that to future cleanings or future restorations, like on that 1873, which is the project that I'm working on over there. All right. So we have a lot of great stuff coming up on the channel. I'm starting to pile up these ideas probably faster than I can film them right now. But again, let's recap quickly. I'm going to do a video strictly on these custom Mausers that my dad's and my uncle and I built for customers. We're going to continue working on the restoration of this Stevens. Stevens is almost done. And then we're going to go over to the Patreon page and talk about this Sharps and talk about the definition of patina and how to think about cleaning a firearm that's been in storage, for instance, for 50, 60, 80, or 100 years. All right, guys, thanks for being here. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already. And listen, I will see you in the next video when we do all of that. Thanks for being here, guys. See you later.